Hi everyone, now that we have downloaded our image from the Copernicus Open Access Hub, we can now open it in the software we'll be using, which is called Snap. Okay, so at this stage we've all downloaded Snap, so just go ahead and open the software package. Now we'll ask you to update, or may tell you need to update. For now, just click OK. So once the Snap software has opened, let's go ahead and add the file that we have downloaded. So click on File, click Open Product, and navigate to where your file is stored, which may be in the downloads, or you may have saved it to a folder on your hard drive. Okay, so for me, it's in this this folder called Datasets. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a file I had previously downloaded, and we'll add it to our Product Explorer page here. So we can see in our Product Explorer menu that a file has been added with the following file name. Now the file name is telling us a couple of things. It's telling us the mission in which the satellite data, so Sentinel-2A. It's telling us the product type, and it's telling us the date. Okay, so we have all that information just from the name of the product. Now, if we click on this plus symbol, we can break down into some additional information. For example, we have our metadata, we have bands, and we have masked. Okay, so what we're really going to focus on here is just our bands. Okay, and depending on the product that you use, this will be different types of products. But for now, this is just the wavelength of the imagery taken. Now, if you double click on one of these, it will add an image to our screen here, which will be visible momentarily. So this is the image that I downloaded at this particular wavelength. We can add multiple bands. Okay, and you can see that the bands are added at the top here. So we have band B2, band B4, and band B6. Okay, now we can look at all of these images simultaneously by going to Window and Tile horizontally. Okay, and we will need to drag all of these into the center page. So to do that, we go up and we click on the hand tool, the panning tool, and we drag the images across. Now you may need to do that one at a time. So if you look again, I'm only clicking one image. So I had this tool selected, but what we will do is I want you to go ahead and select this tool now. Okay, and you'll see that if you move one image, you move them all. So let's turn it off, and that's moving one image at a time. Okay, so we can do that again. We move one image, we're moving them all. Next, we can synchronize our mouse pointers. So again, our mouse pointer is appearing, is moving in conjunction with the other images, and that's very useful for us to understand pixel information. So you can see that the pixel values are changing in the left-hand corner of the screen, depending on where we move the mouse, and that's because different land cover types will reflect in different wavelengths. Okay, and that's a very important tool for remote sensing in general. Okay, so if we look at our images, we can see we have different land types, and we can see that there are some clouds in the imagery here. So next, I want us to go back to our Product Explorer page. Okay, and I want to close these images. So what we're going to do next is we are going to add an RGB image. So this is a red, green, blue image, and it will open up in visible colors. Okay, so colors that we can see. So in order to add a red, green, blue image, we choose band 4, band 3, and band 2. So that's our image there. Now we can explore our image again using the pan tool, which we click on again. Okay, and we can move the image around as we want. So if we choose an area that we're interested in, we can zoom out with the mouse wheel or zoom in. So in this situation, we're going to zoom right in. Now, Sentinel imagery operates at a high resolution of 10 meters squared. Okay, so that means we get these lovely, clean, clear imagery. So this is going to be the area that I'm going to focus my project on. And I suggest that you select an area that you're interested in that certainly has some interesting features. So we will begin to explore the Snap software further in the next tutorial. Thank you.